Audible, how to read and listen at the same time. So to read and listen on an audiobook at the same time on Audible, you can use the Whispersync for voice feature. So open up your browser and then search for Whispersync for voice. If you type it and then click on the first result, which is the Audible website. So click on it. So this will take you to this page here on your Audible. So open it up and then you will get to this page here on Audible website. So here, simply click on Kindle books with Audible narration. So this will show you all the books that supports, all the audiobooks that supports the Whispersync feature. So we need that in order to listen and read at the same time. So click on it. So when you click on it, and this will take you to this page here where you will see all the books available, all the audiobooks available. So for example, here, just before we go further, make sure that you are logged into this logged into your Amazon account. So make sure you log in that before you make any purchase. So log into your account and then select the book that you want to buy. For example, I'll use this book here. So this Iron Flame, so I will use this book here. So this book, as you can see, supports the Whispersync feature because on my page, or once you open the page, you will see the audiobook option here. So under the buying options, you will see the audiobook option there. So with the Audible icon there, so simply purchase. So do the purchase, buy the book. So select the audiobook option here. So simply select that. So simply select that and make the purchase on Audible. So select that feature. So I'm going to do that. So let me do the purchase. So I'll just select that. So click on it, click on the audiobook option. So this will now, once you click on it and then complete the transaction. So once you are done, you have purchased the book. So this book will now be added to your Audible account. Okay, so this purchase and this content will be now added to your Audible account. So all you have to do now is simply go to your Audible account. So go to the Audible website, log in with the same account that you just made the purchase with. So it has to be the same account, then only you will be able to use it. So log in using the same account, and once you have logged in here, now you will be able to see your audiobook that you have purchased. So all you have to do now is simply you can read and write at the same time. So just open up the website once you have logged in, or you can even use the app. You can just open it up and start playing the audiobook, and then you just have to tap on the sync button, which is the little book icon there, to switch between the listening and reading. So as you read the ebook, the audiobook will also highlight the corresponding words similar to an audiobook narration, help you to follow along. So that's pretty much it is. So that's how you can read and write at the same time using Audible. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.